Video isn't just for influencers. It's a game changer for independent agents. A quick, engaging video can boost credibility, help you stand out, and attract new clients. You don't need fancy equipment to get started. A smartphone and good lighting are enough. Keep it short, authentic, and focused on what matters, answering common client questions. Where should you post? Start with your website, social media, and Google Business Profile. A 30-second video explaining coverage options or answering common claims questions can drive engagement and build trust. Struggling with what to say? Think about what clients ask the most. A quick explainer on auto versus home bundle discounts, what to do after an accident, or how to save on premiums can showcase your expertise. And one more thing, don't overthink it. Just start. The more you post, the more comfortable you'll get, and the more clients will see you as their go-to insurance expert.